Hello, hello, hello. This is a message from the universe for 9/8/2020. This is the rune Suelu. Suelu is the rune of wholeness. It's the rune of the life force. It's all about this journey that you are on to integrate all parts of you with the divine energy of the universe, source, creator, Gaia, God, whatever you like to call it is fine. That energy is unconditional love. And the journey that we are on, the spiritual journey, is learning how to integrate that into our human lives. And so this entire reading is about bringing balance to that. We have here in the middle the Two of Swords. This is always the card that I draw for first, and it kind of sets the tone along with the rune for what the reading is. And usually when I pull this out, I know exactly what's coming. Maybe not the specific cards, but I get the message loud and clear of what this reading is about. And this Two of Swords is talking about a battle. It's talking about choosing sides. It's talking about this, in traditional tarot, it's a picture of a person blindfolded with two swords, and it's trying to pick which side is right, which side to lean into. And then often in traditional tarot, they want you to pull extra cards. Well, we always have this setup, but the cards on either side are supposed to represent what your choice is between. And in this one, we have the Knave of Wands, which is about new ideas, exciting new adventures, like creative response, creative, life force. You see, we have the Rose with the little message here, bringing you a message of creativity and excitement. And then on this side, we have the Five of Cups, which is regret about the past, pessimism, not really being happy with where you are or what you're doing, and all of the troubles and turmoil that you could possibly imagine. So it's like a choice between these two sides in yourself, and talking about, should I stay or should I go? We've talked over the last several days about how the picture of the life, the image of the life that you see yourself in, or that the universe has given you, if it doesn't look like where you are now, then things where you are have to change. This Temperance is about a balance, finding a balance in this journey between the two sides, looking very closely at what you value, at what your life is now and where it is going, or at least the image of where it is going, or even an ideal. If it's just peace, I want peace. I don't want to be someplace where there's constant turmoil. Looking at where you are now and figuring out, is where I am now constant turmoil, and do I have to change that? Really recognizing how to create that balance in your own life. You know, I have spoken many times about how I choose the crystals before I do any of this. And the ones that I chose today were my rose quartz, which is unconditional love of self, and this uncut or untumbled red jasper. And it is really for grounding and healing. Sometimes it is connected to sexual healing of some sort, from trauma, or even from relationships that put more emphasis on that than is necessary or healthy. In this reading, it really is discussing you creating that balance within yourself, creating that balance in you of what you want your life to look like, and how you can move forward within that framework. Know that whatever choice you make is right, remember? Because even if things don't turn out the way you had envisioned them, even if they don't turn out the way that you wanted them to, you will learn, you will grow, and you will continue to move forward. You are beloved, you matter, you are loved.